Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, like I was saying this morning, the US dollar yen possibly has ended a pullback on the daily to 4 hour time frame. If it is a end of a pullback, it needs to really break and hold below this structure with momentum. So far, it definitely has not broken and held below structure with momentum. So to me, this looks like a 1, 2, 3. It looks like we potentially are in a wave four, and it's going to go down and make a wave five. Now, if that wave five pushes through and it just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, then definitely we're going to continue to look for shorts. If this just goes down and rejects structure for a second time, then goes up and breaks structure to the upside, then we definitely cannot rule out the possibility that this makes a bigger move to the upside. The dollar has been very rangy for the last month or so, and it potentially could still continue to range at least until maybe the end of the week when we have non-farm payroll. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.